Hello guys, welcome in Unified IT Solution. Today we are going to discuss how to onboard the logs file into Splunk via universal forwarder. So as of now we see how to upload the CSV file manually and how to upload the text file as well, log file as well via manually. But today we are going to discuss which is more efficient and recommended and best practice to upload the files, upload the text file, logs file via universal forward. And like most of the industries, like I would say, uh, all of the industry are following the same process. So let's start. This is my Splunk. It is installed in local system. I just look for the what are the internal logs coming from which host. So I can see there are two hosts. One is Splunk Enterprise, one is UF. So UF is installed already in my system. So we'll onboard the logs file via this universal forwarder. So which file will onboard? So we'll onboard this file. This is the D drive under the tutorial, then folder called www1 and access file will onboard. So I'll just copy this. So to monitor this file or onboard this file, there is some certain stanza that we need to follow. So this is the stanza. I'll just copy the path first, then I will explain you guys. So I'll just pasted the path here, tutorial, and the D drive. I'll just copy it, tutorial here. This is the path of the file and the drive is D, and under that the file called access. So I'll just give access. You can specify the full name with extension. So we don't have many more file. I'll just use the wildcard access, like all the access file under this folder. The name of the index, so we don't have this index name. We need to update this index. So which index we have, let's go and check. I'll just copy, so I don't want to be typo. I will just go to the index, and on that day we created unified. Let's copy the source. I can will give the access data 01. So let's see first if that data is already existing. Go to the apps, search reporting app. Now look it for this last maybe 30 days of data, if that data. So there's no record as of now for this source type. So now go back, I'll save. So the first sorry, don't, you don't need to save. So first, so this monitoring stanza, so this is the format how you have to put into the monitoring stanza, the path of the file, the drive, the and full path of the drive, full path of the log file, and then index where you want to store into the Splunk, and source type you can give any source type. This is to segregate the data inside the index. Let's suppose you have couple of files with access secure or any other file. So we, so you can give source type accordingly, so you can segregate while you are searching the data into the Splunk. So today this video is how to onboard the data via Windows Universal Folder. Later maybe we'll create how to onboard the data using the Linux, Linux file system, through Linux log file or through Linux Universal Folder. So let's start. So this stanza is ready. So now we'll create the app. I will go to the C drive, program files. So my Splunk is installed here. So which directory will have to go? Deployment apps. So I will create a new app here. I'll create folder. The app name I would give secure app. You can give any name according to your data. Inside that, what is the file name? What is the folder name I had to create? Local. Inside the local, which is the file used to monitor the path, it should be inputs.conf file. Now you keep remember that we'll have to see the extension of the file. So let's see the extension of the file. So this is a text extension. See, .txt is coming. So this should be the conf. The extension should be the conf. We'll have to remove .txt at the end. It should be always con file only. Now you can open into your notepad plus plus or any other editor and copy and paste this what we have modified. So I just copy and paste and save it. Now we'll attach this app with the universal forwarder. I'll go back to the Splunk, go to the forwarder management. You know already, right? I have this deployment server which is same search ad indexer as well. So you'll see the new app here, secure app. So now I'll create the new class. You can use the existing as well. I just create the new class. So like you know how to create the class, click on the new server class. I just give the secure class. 1 second guys, I'll just increase the brightness. Yeah, yeah, and you can click on the new class. I can just secure class, save it. So now you will see the new class created and it's asking for to add the app. So I will just add the client as of now, and this is our server. So I'll just put Mr. Perfect here. You can use the asterisk. There are include an extrude list. Either you can specify the machine type. You have only one universal for it, so I'll just give one and save it. So this has been added now, but I don't app from here. I will just go back, go to the apps. First click on this app. So we need to enable the restart option, restart. So once it deploy, if you don't enable it, even though you deployed it, you have to manually restart the universal forwarder to take the effect. Otherwise it won't take your data, it configuration won't be refreshed. So from here I will add this server class, secure server class. Just save it. Now go to the client and see if that app is attached. So that class is attached and that app is also attached. So now in some time you will see the data should be here. It did not came. So how would you, if you have the access to the UF, you can go into the backend program files. Like if you don't have, you have to wait, but I will show you how where it should deploy under the apps. It should deploy here, but it did not came yet. We'll have to refresh it. We'll have to wait for a few minutes until it will deploy. Yeah, so you can see it had the app has been deployed under the universal forwarder, and you can see the date 26 November 2024, and this app has been deployed under the universal forwarder. And now we'll go and check our data since that was the old data, and we'll see. So this was the old data, 17th of November. That's why I put 30 days. If I just look for last 24 hours, because this is not the latest file, so you won't be able to see this data. So I have to go back. I have to increase the time, and you can see the data. All that 30,000, 13,000 record are able to see. And yeah, this is how you can onboard. You can add inside. If you go back, I'll tell you one more thing. So you can add as many as stanza, and you can update according to your requirement. It's not just you can put it one configuration. Here you can add like I'll just give example. You can add multiple stanza with blank line, and you can update the file. Make sure you are not updating the duplicate path. Okay, and you can update the index name, access source type as well. So anything you can maintain here, but same log file cannot be monitored twice into the Splunk, which is the feature of the Splunk. So duplicate data won't be stored. So I'll just exit it. So guys, this is how we can upload the file via universal forward. We can monitor the via universal forward. So if you like, or if you see it's video is useful, please like the video, share, subscribe our channel, share the video, comment, and let us know how it is. Thank you so much, guys. We'll see you in the next video.